It's cold outside and time for another slow cooker dinner. I'm Tess, and today I'm making honey balsamic beef in the crock pot. It's an easy, delicious, and comforting meal. Stay tuned. I'm using a London Broil or top round cut of beef. You can also use chuck roast, which has great flavor and more fat. The London Broil cut is a lean cut and works well because we are cooking it in liquid and adding lots of flavor. I trimmed off the end because I'm using that in another recipe. I'm seasoning both sides with a little salt and black pepper and browning each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using my cast iron pan on medium-high heat with a little avocado oil. In my slow cooker, I'm making the sauce. I have some beef broth, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, a little ketchup, and you could substitute with some tomato sauce or paste, honey, and you can also use brown sugar, minced garlic, onion flakes, and a little salt, giving that a good mix. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and the equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. I'm putting the beef and all the juices back into the crock pot. The lid goes on and cooking on high for 3 to 4 hours or on the low setting for 6 to 7 hours. This all depends on the size of the roast that you have. When the meat is fork tender and is falling apart, it's done. Once done, remove the beef from the slow cooker, cover in foil, and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Transfer that beautiful sauce to a pan and bring up to a simmer. Cook and reduce by half, and this will take about 15 to 20 minutes while your beef is resting. When the sauce reduces, it will slightly thicken. If you want it more gravy-like, you can add a water cornstarch slurry. Tonight I'm serving with some mashed sour cream and chive potatoes and steamed asparagus. I shred and kept the beef in bite-sized rustic pieces. I'm pouring a little of that delicious honey balsamic glaze over the beef. I love the richness and tang of the honey balsamic glaze. A little bit goes a long way, loaded with flavor. The honey really balances out the tang and adds a hint of sweetness. For the leftovers, I shred the beef a little finer, added the rest of the sauce, and made some beef melts. I hope you give this delicious slow cooker honey balsamic beef recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.